This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, including the Papier-Mäche Cupcake. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, as well as aluminum foil and paper towels, paints, paintbrush, pom-poms, stafflo, tissue paper, newsprints, a paper cup, and a cupcake liner. To begin, take your paper towel and scrunch it up loosely. Wrap it in aluminum foil, and this is the top of your cupcake. Secure it in place by taping it to the paper cup. Once it is well secured, take your stafflo and dip your newsprint paper into your stafflo, dripping off the excess and layering it all over your cupcake. You probably only need one layer. Once you have covered the entire thing, set it to the side and allow it to dry. It is best to wait 24 hours. Next, take your cupcake liner and the colorful tissue paper, dip it in the stafflo, and create a colorful cupcake liner. At the inside and the bottom of your cupcake liner. Set this aside as well and allow it to fully dry. Once everything is fully dry and hard, you can begin painting. There are two colors, a vanilla color and a chocolate color. You can pick which side gets which. Now it is time to decorate the cupcake using the pom-poms. Take a little bit of glue, add your dots, and attach your pom-poms. Once the paint is dry, you can put your cupcake into the cupcake liner and it is ready to be enjoyed. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.